Hey guys, I got some awesome brand new tools just came in today. We got some unboxing of them. I'm going to show you them. But before that, I'm Jeremy from Haasl Tools and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, let's see what we got in the packages here. Promo, this is soap. Let's see. Oh, we got some bubble wrap. What is this? Under the hood light, 1200 lumen under the hood light. Awesome. Promo. Don't leave your knives open, people will get cut off. MG 325 in orange. Looks like a regular one. Green. Regular one. Black. Another black one. Oh, there they are. These are the new flush cut pliers. I think we got a little demo we can do with these. So this will be kind of cool. These actually come shipped with these clips on here because the points, they don't want you dropping them and accidentally breaking the points of them. But the brand new flush cut pliers, these are awesome for zip ties. I'll show you why. So this is what they call a spring punch. And if I pull it, you can see it's just a spring in there. And what you do, we have this piece of metal here. There's nothing there. And we'll just give this a pull. I'll hold it down and you let go. And you can see where it left the mark there. We'll do another one right next to it. So what this does is, I'm gonna open this up. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's the rod there, and that actually impacts when you let go and sends that shock all the way through to a nice sharp point on there. Snap-on spring punch. All right guys, I got a brand new tool here. It is a 786 CF. These are new. They were in the tool show photos. These are a true flush cut pliers. And they actually they're shipped with these little covers on them to protect the tips because they are nice and pointy on there. So what I want to do is a little demo. You can see the 3/4 inch ratchet I got up here in the hammer rack. I'm going to use these as well as the 86 ACF to cut these zip ties and show you the difference between the true flush cut and these here. There's just a little divot right there, and that makes a big difference when you cut these. Let me show you why. So the first one, I'll cut the back one here, and then we'll do a close-up so you can see. We'll cut the back one here. These are the 80, and I'm gonna go right up to the edge. The 86 ACF. And then the 786 ACF we're gonna do on the front one. It is, what time is it, Jamie? 7:54. It's 7:54. The storm sirens are going off, and we're here bringing you YouTube content. Let's go ahead and look at this right there so you can see the big difference on this. Super dark out there. So these first ones here are the ones that use the flush cut, but let's go look at this one here. And I'm gonna see if I can get it to focus for us. And you can see how it kind of pinched that when I cut it. And if we move up here, you can see it cut it nice and flush. And the big difference is when you have this on a wiring harness or something, that thing is freaking sharp, and you can cut yourself. Whereas with the flush cut, it makes it nice. There's no sharp edges on that. You're on my finger on it all day long. This one is actually really sharp. Sorry about the focus on there, but so that is one difference here. We'll take a look at the size difference between these two. Next thing I want to check out here is the ECUHC 102. You guys see me just unbox it just a little while ago. 1200 lumens, dimmable to 150 lumens. This is an under the hood light. Optional pistol grip, rechargeable battery level, and charge indicators. So I have not opened this up. I have no idea what the heck this thing looks like in real life, and we're gonna open it up here. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put these little tops on the pliers, and we're gonna do a little unboxing of this. There's no tape or nothing. I didn't need my knife. Looks like a cool gyroscope that I'd use for my camera. Oh wow. Spring-loaded clamp. So this would go, just trying to look at this. It's kind of a rubbery hard plastic. So this would clamp around your hood or whatever you want. Looks like that's where the the light goes. Here's our light. Looks like USB on the back. Power. Slider in. What else do we have? Sure enough, here's our charger cord, USB cord. The 110 adapter. So you could charge this off your computer, I suppose. Or if you have a lighter in your truck, or off the 110. The pistol grip, the optional pistol grip, is not an option, I guess. It comes with it. There you go, floodlight. That's cool. Let's turn it on. These things don't normally come charged, but looks like we had two. I'll shut this off and turn it back on. We had two of them light up bright, so must be pretty well charged. Then the lights dimmed right off. So, you know my thoughts on lights on videos, they don't do very well. I'm gonna guess holding the button down dims it. And, yep. So we can take it all the way down to 150 lumens and then back up to 1200 lumens. So we'll do that. Normally when they flash, they're at their high point. There. That's cool. Little pistol grip like a spotlight. It says push arrow, push down, and then pulls off. Easy enough. And that's what you'd use on a vehicle. So, oh yeah, you can adjust it all around. Actually, this thing would be nice just about anywhere. I could use this for my videos. Show you what I did here. I just mounted it on the shelf real quick. That's cool. Brand new under the hood light. Let's see what else we got. So let's just take a quick look around. This is the display shelf up front. And today some of the things that we got in, we got, I just sold one of these, so I restocked it. We got the stubby ratcheting wrenches in metric and standard. Some of the screwdriver bits back here. Kind of all piled up. Double flared die set for the Master Cool set. Got our cordless filled up, and then looks like we got 6 of these MG325s and 3/8 impacts. Have I told you about the roasted almonds, the cinnamon? Yeah, I think we went over that. If you guys see them, pick them up. They are awesome. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching me tonight. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below and hit the like button, because that's how YouTube promotes our videos. So keep them comments rolling in. If you got questions, whatever it is, when you hit the like button, I can't see who it is. Nobody knows who it is. So the more likes, the better, right? And on that note, I appreciate you spending some time with me tonight, and have a good night.